Ready to officially close the book on your TikTok shop seller journey? Let's get your account deleted for good step by step. Start by opening the TikTok app and navigating to your profile, then tap on the TikTok shop icon to enter your seller dashboard. Once inside the shop section, look for the settings or account menu, often represented by 3 dots, or a gear icon. Tap on it to access your account management options. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the option for account management or shop account settings. This is where the deletion process begins. Inside account management, you will see an option titled Delete Shop Account. Please note, this is permanent, so be absolutely sure you want to proceed before tapping it. TikTok will now show a confirmation screen detailing what deletion means. You'll lose all your sales history, product listings, and any pending balances. Read this carefully. To finalize the process, you'll likely need to confirm your identity by entering your account password or checking a box to acknowledge you understand the consequences. After confirmation, tap the final delete button. The system will process your request, which may take a short while to complete across all servers. And that's it. You should see a confirmation message. Your TikTok shop seller account is now scheduled for permanent deletion, officially closing this chapter.